क्या आप मैपिंग के क्वेश्चंस गलत कर रहे हो या एग्ज़ाम हॉल में रिकॉल ही नहीं हो पा रहा है कि कौन सी कंट्री किस कंट्री को बॉर्डर करती है? Then these notes are for you. They are just 4 pages where the entire world map is spatially sensed or memory map, mind map बनाया गया है, and this is going to help you locate which country is in which continent and which country borders which country. 15 मिनट के लिए देख लेंगे, then it's going to be easier for you to understand where each country is located, and visualization really helps to recall in the exam hall. So har roz, like for example here Asia has been divided into these parts, like the continent West Asia, South Asia, and like that the countries are also mapped here. So West Asia लेंगे तो Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, Israel, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Oman, UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait and Iraq, Iran. So अगर रोज़ आप ये देखेंगे तो it will your visualization is going to get strong, and in exam आप यही आपके आंखों के सामने it will reflect and it will help you to answer the question कि कौन सी कंट्री कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है. जैसे कि साउथ ईस्ट एशियन कंट्रीज आर ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. इट विल हेल्प यू डिफ्रेंशिएट विच आर मेन लैंड एंड विच आर आईलैंड साउथ ईस्ट एशियन कंट्रीज and how have been they located, in which order. That will also help you. So a lot of questions can be solved with just 4 pages of notes, and these were actually created by Sudeep sir in Conquer Prelims. So the credit goes to him, and if you need them you can join the Telegram channel or find in this Telegram channel. The link is provided in the description. Thank you. Also यहाँ पे ये continent भी important है, South America and South Africa. These are extremely important continents, and South Africa especially, 50 countries are there. So this is going to help you understand or map the entire Africa. It's really going to be very helpful, like the Eastern Africa, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Malawi. So ये ऐसे अगर आप याद रखोगे तो it's going to be easier to solve questions. Also Central African countries are very important, countries bordering DRC. अगर बस आप ये याद कर लोगे then you will get the question right. Also in South America there can be a question, which country does not border Brazil? So if you remember this, like Chile and Ecuador, these are the 2 countries that are not bordering Brazil. So अगर ये map याद रख लिया तो you can solve that question very easily. So like this, there are sea bodies here, few ones which were in news, and कोई भी place in news आएगा then you can connect the dots, like it will be easier to navigate in where was that country located when you read it in news directly or from any magazine.